Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can adjust your volume right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have this clip right here with its volume right here as an example. So we're going to be using this. So the first method that I'm going to show you is you need to right click on your audio clip and then go for audio gain right here. So I'm going to explain here about the audio gain, the set gain, and adjust gain. This is the one that you need to customize right here and adjusting your volume. So first is the set gain. So set gain is basically you're setting your volume. You can just think of the gain as volume right here. So it's set a volume into, let's say, 5 decibels. So it will be now 5 decibels when you play it right there. So you can just go and do it or test it right there. Let's go back to audio gain, or you could just go for adjust gain right here. As you can see, our set gain is 5. So when we put adjust gain by 3, it would be 8 decibels because adjust gain is basically you're just adding volume to the current volume of your clip, just like that. So yeah, adjust gain is just like that. You're just simply adding some volume into your current volume. And you can press OK once you're satisfied with that. And another one that you can do is that you can go into selecting your audio clip and go into effect controls, and you can see here on the audio and the level right here. So one thing that you would want to note is that be very careful. So you don't want to duplicate. You already have adjusted the audio gain, and you would also adjust the level, so that might stack up. So I suggest that you only use one method in doing so. So you can also edit it right here. You can set a keyframe right here, so you can add a fade in or fade out. Or what I recommend, if you don't want any transitions on your audio, then you can just deactivate the keyframe right here, or make sure that the stopwatch right here isn't blue, and then you can adjust the volume right here. So this is basically just set gain right here. You can adjust a gain right here, so this would just set your volume into 8 decibels and so on. And another one is this method right here. So you would need to expand your audio tray. So to do that, hold your Alt key and press the plus key on your keyboard, and you can adjust it like that. So after that, you can just go and drag this right here, this bar right here, depending on how low you want. And you can see the negative 75 decibels and so on. You can adjust it right here, just like that. And yeah, you can just simply do it like this. So if you want easier time doing it like this, but less accurate or less precise, then you can just do it like this. Or you can also do this right here by using the pen tool. You can draw some points right here, so you can adjust it like a graph, right? Just like that. So what this would do is that it would go at this volume, and when it reaches this point, it would slowly go up into this volume. So this would be useful if you are having some music in the background. So if someone is speaking, you might want to lower it. And when no one is speaking, you might want to make it higher, just like that. So that is basically how you can adjust your volume here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.